I was looking because, you know, we had it.
Oh, baby! Big ol' hit. This ball is crushed. Oh, come on. The babe. 1 of 1. Wow. Rookie auto. Derek Jeter, 1 of 1 auto. Dual logo man, Jason Tatum, Donovan Mitchell. Oh, that's filthy. Alrighty, guys, here we go. Tier 1 baseball, group break number 10,751. We've got a fun one here. Random team. It's our final case over here. I think we'll have a little bit more in Fanatics Live, I think, like box by box, but last seal case here. If we pull a knob in this break, all right, whoever hits it, we will give you break credit, $100 in break credit per spot you have in this break, up to 3 spots. So if you have 1 spot, you'll get $100, and if you hit the knob. If you have 2 spots, you get 200. If you have 5 spots, you get 300. If you have 3 spots, you get 300. If you hit the knob, all right. Here we go to the randoms. 3 times on names, 3 times on teams. 1, 2, and 3. Mike Weiss down to OBX. 3 times on teams. 1, 2, 3. Brew Crew, Nationals. Here we go. Mike Weiss, Brewers. Brad Willis, the Cubs. Lucky, San Diego. Milan, the Reds. Glickster, Red Sox. Brad Willis, Detroit. Lucky, the Mets. TGC, the Astros. Dubs, the Phillies. Netasico with the Orioles. Dubs, the Marlins. Mark B, the Blue Jays. Sam Sarah, the Yankees. Stowe, the Royals. Milan, the White Sox. Mike Weiss, the Rangers. Van Pelt, Oakland. TGC, the Rocks. Wireless, Tampa. Gillies, the Pirates. H&O's, the Cardinals. Mike Weiss, the Dodgers. Navy, the Diamondbacks. EKB, the Angels. SDSU, not the Guardians. Nick, the Giants. Netasico with the Mariners. Navy Sailor, the Braves. Jono, the Twins. And OBX, the Nats. And guys, like I said, I think basketball is going to be fun. Football, if we can knock out a few more teams, we'll get it right where I need it. For my plan there, we'll put basketball to shame, baby. Obviously a bigger break there. Yep, 1 left on Team Mike. You just took Detroit in football? Oh. I think that's what he said. I just knocked out a biggie in Detroit. Perfect. So Detroit, they're gone. And like I said, football, take advantage because of like the softer play in some of the rookies. Teams like Atlanta and the big 2, honestly, Steelers and Niners, this break a month ago, they're in the mid-3s. They're in the 2s, both of them. Take advantage. Heck, Steelers are in low 2s. Take advantage of this buying opportunity in football because, like I said, some prices have flatlined to where we can do it at a price that's reasonable for a long time there. 2022 football, if you notice, we haven't done a ton, and it wasn't because we didn't want to, but when prices get out of whack, we're not going to stick it to you guys. You know what I mean? So I actually kind of like a little bit when players come back to reality a little bit. Let prices check. So that's the best asset you can get here. Is we're not just throwing everything that comes in the door on the site and ripping it. If it's the wrong time for you guys, it's the wrong time, and we don't just throw it at you. Wait for good selling opportunities for you guys to buy it at a good spot. Polar Bear have a yeah, oh yeah. David Wright too. Oh yeah, Mets have a crap ton of them. Oh, I need to get my. See, now I got my little card. Andy Pettit, Yankees, 199 on the jersey. To kick things off here, Sam Sarah. Next, old Smith and Jigba, Pirates, 299. Jillies. Rookie autograph. And what do we got first? Jose Canseco to 199. Oakland Van Pelt. Canseco to 199 on the auto. Oh, we got a bonus auto here. First, 199, Diaz for the Mets. Lucky. Next, Giolito, 175 for the White Sox. Elon C. Ooh. Bouchard, I think Evan Bouchard. Colorado, numbered to 10. EGC to 10. Sorry, I don't know. I thought it was Evan. Sean. And, oh, BB for the Mets to 249 rookie auto. Lucky. Brett Batty for the Mets. The 249 out of 10 rookie auto. We'll take it. Mets will take it. Getting cooking here. Just getting cooking. Peyton, it's a law of averages. Been bad luck for you, and then it's going to turn around. This one felt like a brick, so I'm guessing a double. Guessing a double relic. Free anything though, right? Ooh, Pete Alonso to 25 for the Mets. Lucky. So yeah, a few teams on football, yep. And we're going to get really wild. Correct. Oh, yeah. That's what I mean by wild. Like, we are going to give you some crazy value. Ramirez to 199. That's for the Guardians. That one's headed to SDSU Nut. Mark Mulder, 249 for Oakland. Van Pelt on the auto. That again? Are you kidding me? Alvarez to 249. Yeesh. Rookie auto. You got Batty and Alvarez in the first 3 boxes. Lucky, how we doing? Yeah, Pete's out of 25, dual patch. Yep, dual patch to 25 on Pete.
So we're going for the knob, I thought.
Oh, yeah. We're working our way there, clearly. Johnny Damon, number to 199, Red Sox. Glickster. Sean Green, that's the LA Dodgers. LA Dodgers. Or Mike Weiss. And? Oh, my. Corbin Carroll.
Okay.
The 249 rookie auto, Navy Sailor.
So we did it. For the last case, we've decided to find the God case.
What is happening?
Why not?
I'm one short on stands because I have my Facebook's watching on my phone. This one over here. Let's just do this. We'll do guard to 10. He's on the chopping block, though. I'll tell you, through 4 boxes, I don't know if we've had a case that's had three of that caliber of rookie autos in one case. I don't think we've had one. I think we have a relic auto here, maybe? Bobby Witt Jr., Kansas City to 400 jersey. Stowe, that's yours. Thompson for Texas to 299 rookie autograph. Mike Weiss. I think this is a relic auto. Rookie. Riley Green for Detroit to 99. Jersey auto rookie, Brad Willis.
Stop, won't stop.
That's a great rookie. I got to, because now we have like 4 very high quality rookies in 5 boxes. This is wild. You guys are just joining us on Facebook. We've got a we're doing some crazy stuff tonight. Coming up next, basketball, we have a serial number battle. And whoever wins this battle, whoever's on the team.
And also, for the record, Mike does have 1 left in stock.
Man, still?
Still.
What are you guys doing to me? Is there like some like weird private chat I'm not a part of where you're like, screw
Well,
Mike?
I mean, that's always existed, but we're not talking about you right now. So 1 left on the Mike closer.
Got 1 left on Mike's closer. And then we have something cooking for football. We should have a few more teams to go to make it like exactly where I want it. Legends of the Hidden Temple, Tony Gwynn to 200 for the Padres. Yeah, lucky we count him. He's got big upside. Padres, lucky. Nice Tony Gwynn. Legends. Next, Jordan Alvarez to 400, Houston Astros. PGC, Bat Relic. Gillian for the Cubs, 299. Chi-Town, Brad Willis. Andrew Jones for the Braves, Navy Sailor to 299.
Legend.
Man, that first half, that is cooking. That is cooking. I do have these swapped, though. I will say that. Alvarez should be on the main stand, and then BB on the secondary. This is... How did they leave me with 1?
Because you're number 1.
Ray to 400 for Seattle. And a sicko. Next, Kennedy to 299, rookie auto, Arizona, Navy Sailor. Little bodyguard for the Corbin Carroll. And what is this? Nice. Jose Ramirez for Cleveland to 199. SDS Unit. Nice vet auto. Go Ram for the Guardians. Lucky, I agree. Hey, I agree. Like I said, this I think would be our first year where we haven't pulled a knob if we don't hit one. We have a little bit left that'll be on F Live. Here, but it might just be a double relic again. Oh, it's because it's got a duel again. Wow. Gonzalez to 25 for the Dodgers. Mike Weiss, dual patch to 25. Next, Flaherty, 400 for the Cardinals. St. Louis. HN O's. Madras to 299 for the Astros auto. AGC. And, oh, nice, to 25. Who's it going to be? Oswaldo Cabrera for the Yankees to 25. Sam Sarah, nice one. Here, let's get that on there. Jay, did you buy the mic one? If you bought the mic one, you did. On? Asking if you got the last one.
Yes.
Yep.
Both sold out.
Jay, your team mic.
Jay, thank you for your pity buy there.
Oh, get out of here. Pity buy. Hey, thanks, guys, for... I told you he needed a little pep. Told you when he was out of the office, like, take care of his first, and I appreciate
Just
you
got
guys.
an email for closer number 3. It
Mullins
is weird
for
tonight.
Baltimore. Adesicko. LeBlanc for the Marlins, rookie autograph, number 2, $2.99. That's Miami. That's going to Dubs. Our next auto. Oh, nice. Andre Dawson. Cubbies. Brad Willis. Nice one. Killer case of autos.
And again, guys, if you thought our box battle that's about to go down on Flux is good, wait till you see what we have planned for the football mixer, but we just need a couple more teams going so we can get that to that perfect price point.
3 more teams.
Yeah, 3 more teams. You guys grab whatever team you're comfortable with. I want to see the list though.
$199. Brewers, Christian Yelich. Mike Weiss. Oakland, Barry Zito, $249. That's going to Van Pelt.
Falcons are still there, which is mind-boggling to me. Not because I'm a Falcons fan, but because they have 3 rookies.
Senga for the
want.
Mets, $249. Lucky. All the Mets. He's like, just pull my knob and we're good. Jeff Bagwell, $400 for Houston. TGC. Martin, the $299 for the White Sox. Milan. Hoskins for Philly to $149. Nice hit for Philly. Headed towards Dubs. Hoskins. Here we go. Last box of the case. Great auto case. We finally have a fat card on the front.
Oh, is it finally happening?
I don't know. There's a fat card on the front. Could just be a patch auto, I guess. Like Larkin to $400 for Cincinnati. Legit, the last box of the last case.
I mean, that would be the most Mike thing to do anyway.
Milan.
So.
Villar to $299 for the Giants. Nick. Casino Nick. Rookie auto. I don't know if it's like a... I said I don't know if it's a... what it is. It's fat and it's vertical. I know that. Oh, nice. Jumbo patch auto to 10.
Oh.
Luis Arez for the Minnesota Twins.
In all these cases, that's the first one we've hit with those,
Gano.
too.
Yeah.
So those must be incredibly
the
rare,
first
too.
Jumbo patch auto we've hit.
The number?
The 10.
Oh, maybe that's why there's only... Yeah.
But
That
still,
is, like, super rare.
Crazy. Is that the guy who got arrested? Or I think that is the Luis Arez. Isn't he the guy, like, domestic violence thing?
Your card might be taken and put into evidence. Just fair warning.
I don't know. 10,751, tier 1. There you have it.